Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to use the smart cleaning feature for the LG Phoenix 5. So go to your essentials or settings, the folder with essentials that contains settings, and go to smart cleaning, which is the official cleaning app for the LG Phoenix series of devices. Now, of course, smart cleaning allows you to optimize your phone to make sure it's always running at its peak. There are other ways to get to it, but for now, let me just show you. You can also go to your battery usage and observe the various parts of your device to make sure that they're running accordingly. And of course, it's essential that you keep your device optimized. You do not have to download any third-party software. The software comes with your device, and it allows you to, as we said, to optimize your device. Now, to optimize, simply come here to the smart cleaning screen and hit optimize phone. Once you optimize phone, it will scan, remove temporary files and other unnecessary junk from your device. You can also stop unused apps and things that may be slowing down your device. Once it does, it should be optimized, and of course it should be running optimally. As you can see, we're 92% or 90% plus. And of course, if you keep doing this, keep your device in the high 90s to 100, you should be good. All right, so as you can see, this is another way to get to it, and it's here on that setting as well. All right, so in this tutorial here, as always, Ricardo